guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Yancy. Today we are about to get up into it, okay? Last year was an amazing year as far as my gardening goes. Personally, we'll talk more about that, but I can honestly say that last year was actually a decent year and I'm so grateful for it. I planted so many things. I grew over 500 peppers. I grew tomatoes. I grew a ton of things last year. I had an abundant amount of harvest. And you guys was on that journey with me. My goodness, the harvest was harvesting, okay? I launched my Etsy shop that I am selling my seeds amongst other things. I launched my Amazon shop where I have a bunch of things that I use in my garden. And of course, I shared a lot more of my Liberian recipes, which is super exciting. You know, I try my best to make sure that we cooked every Sunday, which was a lot, but I'm proud of myself. We didn't cook every single Sunday the entire year. For the most part, we definitely were consistent with our cook with me's on Sundays, which is what I really wanted. I grew a ton of stuff in the garden that you guys went along with me in growing, and I wanted to just share with you guys how I use a lot of that harvest. But more than anything, last year, I really just learned how to take it slow. I learned how to be grounded, which is one of the main things that I love about gardening. One of the biggest things that I have for myself, especially when it came to my channel, was achieving 10K YouTube subscribers. I actually started the year with 1K subscribers. I ended the year with about 8.2K subscribers, which is super exciting because towards the end of the year, I wasn't as consistent as I wanted to be due to lifing, but I am so grateful that I was even able to get close to that milestone. Although I did not reach that goal, I am super proud of myself that I got that close. And I mentioned to you guys that I will be doing a giveaway when I do hit 10K subscribers. So my goal for the first quarter of this year is to hit 10K. I just need less than 2K, right? So we could be celebrating. And yes, I will be doing a huge giveaway as promised last year. So thank you guys. It's because of you guys that I was even able to get that close to my goals. Okay. Some of the major wins, of course, last year was getting a brand partnership with Vigo Gardening. And that was one of the things that was on my vision board last year, to work with a brand or multiple brands. But what's funny is I manifested all the brands. I was manifesting all of the brands. And sometimes when you manifest and you ask God for certain things, you also have to ask God to prepare you to receive those things. And that was the part that I did not include in that prayer. Was I was manifesting all of the things. I was praying to God for all of these things, and what I did not pray for was how to manage those things as they come and how to navigate those things. Because yes, all the brands were definitely reaching out to me. It was extremely overwhelming, but blessings, of course, right? But one of the brands that I definitely chose to work with was Vigo Gardening, and that's because I really love their products. When I created my vision board last year, and I told you guys I'm manifesting all the brands, and I had a list of brands that I did want to work with, and Vigo Gardening was one of those brands, and they reached out to me. Of course, I had to work with them. I certainly got emails from different companies and things like that, and I just could not keep up. So I kind of scaled back. I was like, you know what? Let me try to figure this out. Let me try to figure out what it means to work with a brand. Just trying to figure out what my worth is in this content creation world, what I bring to the table, the value I bring to them, as well as how they can be valuable to you guys, because I don't want to just bring anything to you guys if it's not going to be something that's going to be of value to you. So Vigo Garden was one of those brands that I was excited to work with prior to saying all the brands, and they actually reached out to me. When I tell y'all, it is God, y'all. When I talk about manifestation, I'm really talking about God. It's me praying to God and asking him for these things, or praying to God to give me the discipline to be able to work towards these things. The Bible says faith without work is dead, right? So yes, you can manifest all of these things, but you actually have to take the steps to be able to achieve those things. There was a lot of brands reaching out to me, and I just did not know how to navigate all of that. But this year I am in a better place. So I am back again saying all of the brands, reach out, okay? And if it makes sense to my channel and to you guys, I will bring it to you guys. But I would not just be bringing you guys nonsense. Not over here, because I am very big on bringing value to you guys, because if I'm not going to use it, I'm not sharing it with you guys. So I just want the brands to understand that, you know, as you reach out to me, please make sure it makes sense to us, okay, on this channel, because we're not going to put mess out there. That was one of the biggest blessings for my year last year, was definitely working with Vigo Gardening, and they definitely sent me a bunch of stuff for Christmas, which I will do the unboxing with you guys in the next video that I'll post. And so stay tuned for that. I did a gardening workshop last year, which was amazing, and oh my goodness, I can't believe like I actually did it. Okay, I did my first official gardening workshop, which was something that I've been trying to figure out, like, how can I do it, how can I bring it to you guys, and especially for some of you guys that don't live in my area. And I was able to do it, y'all. I'm super excited. And this year we will be doing another garden workshop, and we'll actually be doing multiple garden workshops this year. Now that I understand a little bit of how it will go, for some of you guys that don't live, you know, in my area or anything like that, I will be bringing it to you guys virtually. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments, and I'll give you guys more information as that comes. But yes, y'all, I did my first garden workshop last year. Actually, I did 2 garden workshops. One of it was my own personal Miss Yancy garden workshop, and then my second garden workshop, I partnered with Bouger Poussante. Bouger Poussante is a nonprofit, and we partnered together to do a garden workshop for the children, just to, you know, get them out there and busy, get their hands dirty, teach them about the importance of growing your own food, making them get off the screens and understanding that there's more to life than being on the screens, but also caring about your environment, caring about what we eat, caring about nature, right? And I feel like teaching children those important things early on in life will also help them with their mentals, which is one of the biggest things that we need to learn. But yes, y'all, I certainly accomplished a lot of the goals that I set for myself last year. I did not accomplish all of them. I definitely accomplished a lot of them. But this year is going to be a whole new ball game, and I cannot wait to share that with you guys.
Remember, y'all, if you're looking for organic heirloom seeds, go ahead in the description of this video and grab your pack of seeds in my Etsy store and get your garden popping. Bye, y'all. Happy gardening. Their luxurious body butter is packed with all natural skin loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances.